everyone, welcome back to my channel and to my first tutorial of 2024. So today I'm going to show you how to create these ombre letters that I made for my daughter's birthday cake. Okay, so this technique is easy to do and I'm just using sugar paste, or you may know it's fondant. I've got sky blue the sugar paste, and I've also coloured some white the sugar paste pink using Sugar Flair's hot pink food colouring paste. I've got my letter cutter here, and I've also got a rolling pin. Okay, so first of all I've got my sky blue sugar paste and I'm just going to roll that into a long tube. You want to roll it into a long tube because as you start rolling it out it will get wider and wider, and it's the length that you want, not the width. So if you start off as long as possible, then that really helps. And now I'm going to do exactly the same with the pink. And you want these to be exactly the same width and length. Just so you know, I'll leave a link to everything used in this tutorial in the description. And please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, so now I've got them the same width and length. I'm just going to put them together. I'm going to get my rolling pin and I'm just going to roll them out. Just keep rolling and eventually they will start sticking together. So you can roll it quite thin. And now what you want to do here is, you see that line, you want to fold it over and try to keep with the line you've got between the two colours. And now I'm just going to roll that out again. So you can see here that it started to get a little bit wider than before, and that's why you want to start with a long strip. So now we're just going to fold it over again. I should say you want to kind of fold it over, then push from one end to the other, and that will help not get any air bubbles. So again, we're going to roll that out. So we keep repeating this process. It will get wider each time, but we keep repeating it until you get the desired ombre effect that you want. So we're going to fold that over again, push from one end to prevent air bubbles. Hopefully you can see a bit of purple in the middle there where the blue and pink are starting to mix. And then I'm just going to roll it out again. So each time you do it, the ombre line in the middle will get a little bit bigger. See that there? So it all just depends really how big of an ombre line you want. So you can see here where the pink has come over a little bit at the bottom there. And that's why you want to try and keep it to much of a straight line as possible to get an even ombre effect. If this does happen, you can just turn it over and you might prefer it on the other side. So I'm just going to carry on folding it over and rolling it out until I've got the ombre effect that I want. That there. So I'm happy with that, and what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to get my letter and I'm just going to cut out the excess blue and pink that haven't blended. Then you can just pop that to one side and use that again later. And now I'm just going to press my cutter into my sugar paste where I want it to go, make sure there's no rough edges, and then just use my soft brush to pop it out. And there's my ombre letter. So I made this for my daughter's Mario Wonder theme cake, and I realised that I actually did it the wrong way round. So I'm just going to show you it the right way around with the blue at the top and the pink at the bottom, and there you go. So I let my letters dry and then popped them on some rolled out black sugar paste and then cut around them. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.